Good day, YouTube, internet folks, people who are bored enough to probably look at this channel, or just me to reflect on. I got this here Scatpack shaker because Nick's is getting cams and lifters and all that good stuff due to the dreaded, cam lobe. And we found out, in case nobody knows why these cars do that, is you freaking got that MSD engine or whatever the hell it is in it, and you use your key fob to start it and let it sit and idle it, and doesn't get any oil on a couple of those rocker lobes because of the thing going through the engine. Anyway, she's getting all fixed up with new, bigger, better stuff, and my dealer was nice enough to give me this Scatpack. He said, well, you paid for a Scatpack, you want a Scatpack? Here, drive this Scatpack till yours is done. So I'm driving the shit out of this Scatpack. However, it's for sale if somebody wants it. Gorgeous car. I think it just hit 25,000 miles. It's got a couple nicks and dings and stuff like that, but hit me up if you're interested in that. It's located in the Central Midwest at the border of Illinois and Missouri, Northwest, Hannibal, Quincy, Iowa area. So if you're close to there, you can get a pretty good deal. Anyway, I also have, for when Nick's comes home, a box of just great goodies, including another box of Avalon King Armor Shield 9. Man, this stuff, I will tell you what, I'll show you the videos. There's another one on the getting better at it. I'll probably have another set of these blackout tents, tail lights, side markers, all that good stuff if I don't screw it up, which I didn't the last two times I did it. So it's pretty easy stuff, and all the little decorate. Oh, we got the powered by SRT in the plum purple. I couldn't find a plum purple Scatpack for sale that I could afford. There's when I was looking 4 of them for sale, so I'll do the next best thing and take my midnight black murdered out nicks and put plum crazy accents all over. And so let's see, we just got we got everything. We've got the little radio knobs, and so you'll get to see her as she goes. And I guess I'm a poser because I got a SRT 392 thing, even though my motor says powered by SRT, but it's technically an RT Scatpack, so that makes me an up badging poser. Whatever. And of course the little purple claw stripes, because you gotta have those on your Challenger, and a little purple Scatpack start button in the Scatpack trunk. It's just full of shit. I got just about everything you could find. So stay tuned for all that good stuff. Wait till you hear next when she gets back. Probably gonna have a little bit more, and then we're gonna take her up to a local performance tuner after that. Should be a fun summer, fellas. Hang in, watch, like, subscribe, all that stuff. Let me know. There could be a chance I throw in some free stuff. Peace.